Have you ever noticed how we copy the way people talk, walk, laugh, even the things they buy? Why do humans imitate almost automatically without even realizing it? Imitation isn't just a habit. It's a hidden force shaping our choices, our relationships, and even our identity. From ancient survival instincts to modern social pressure, the urge to imitate has been wired into our brains for thousands of years. We think we're unique, but in reality, we are constantly influenced by the people around us. In today's video, we'll uncover the psychology behind this subtle but powerful behavior and reveal why copying others isn't a weakness. It's part of what makes us human. Inside the human brain, there's a special system called mirror neurons. These neurons don't just observe what others do, they reflect those actions in our own brains, almost as if we're performing them ourselves. The result? We can copy behavior almost automatically without even realizing it. A smile, a gesture, a tiny habit, all of these can spread in our subconscious thanks to this mechanism. This is also why humans learn faster than most other species. Through imitation, we don't just acquire skills, we connect more deeply with others, building empathy, social bonds, and even culture. In other words, imitation isn't random copying, it's how our brains are designed to survive, learn, and connect with those around us. Humans are social creatures. The feeling of belonging to a group isn't just an emotion, it's a survival mechanism. That's why imitation goes far beyond habit or simple mimicry. It's a subtle way for the brain to say, I belong to this group, I'm part of the team. Psychologists call this social bonding, a system designed to create trust, empathy, and connection. When we imitate someone's words, gestures, or even clothing, we're not just copying, we're sending a signal that we're in harmony with the group, that we're safe, liked, and accepted. Sometimes, you unconsciously pick up the slang your friends use, and then, when talking to someone you like, you naturally adjust your tone, pace, or style of speaking. All these small changes happen without you noticing, but they help you fit in and feel connected. Humans are hardwired to follow the crowd because, way back in the day, it was a survival strategy. Imagine our ancestors in a dangerous environment. Sticking close to the group and copying what others did often meant the difference between life and death. If everyone's doing it, it must be safe, their brains seem to say. Fast forward to today, and that instinct hasn't gone away. It just shows up in different ways. Whether it's buying the latest trendy drink, watching the most talked about show, or trying the viral food everyone's posting about, our brains are still using the same rule. If the crowd does it, it must be okay. For example, why is everyone lining up for that new bubble tea flavor? Because deep down, our brains are whispering, if everyone's choosing it, I'm probably making a safe choice too. Humans naturally mirror each other. It's called mirroring behavior in psychology. Without even realizing it, we adjust our body language, tone, and gestures to match the person we're talking to. Why? Because it makes people feel comfortable and builds instant rapport. When someone subtly mirrors you, you feel understood and connected, almost like they're on your wavelength. This happens everywhere, on a date, in a job interview, or just meeting someone new. Copying small gestures isn't creepy. It's your brain's way of saying, I want this interaction to go smoothly. Trends start with a single person. One person does something, a dance move, a fashion style, or a funny meme, and others copy it. Before you know it, it spreads like wildfire. This is just human nature at work. Our brains are wired to follow the crowd. That instinct to mimic and join in is what turns small actions into global trends on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and beyond. Whether it's viral dances, the latest outfit everyone's wearing, or memes blowing up online, it all begins with one person being copied. Next time you catch yourself copying someone, don't see it as a weakness. It's part of who we are. Biology at work, creating connection, helping us learn, survive, and build meaningful relationships. Who inspires the way you act every day? Drop their name in the comments. I'd love to know. And don't forget to like, share, and follow the channel to discover our latest videos.